Beach day. Beach day. Yes. Alrighty, throttle controllers on the beach. In particular, the one from Power Plus Africa. Today, we are off for a drive along the beach to put this controller through its paces. See how it goes, removing the lag from these modern four-wheel drives, such as Ford Ranger, as well as seeing how it performs when we get a little bogged down. G'day everyone, Rob the Wanderer here. Welcome to the channel if you're new here, or a big welcome back to those who may be a regular. And to those who are new, you guys, the guys who are new here, maybe never been here before, hit that subscribe button folks, and that way you can come along for the ride with all of us as well. Alright, enough of me carrying on like a pork chop. It's time to let the air out of the tyres, and let's go hit the beach. Alrighty guys, as you can see we're now down on the beach. Time to put the Power Plus throttle controller to the test on the soft sand. See how we go, see how the Power Plus throttle controller can get us out of a bog nice and easy. Show you a few different modes on the sand, see how they react. So I'm going to jump back in the Ranger here now guys, and we'll go up the beach a little bit, pull up in the soft sand and put the Power Plus throttle controller through its paces on the beach. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we've pulled up here on the soft part of the beach. You can see the dunes behind me. We're in the soft sand from a standing start, and we're going to take off in normal mode. So essentially the unit is just switched off essentially, and see how we go taking off. Now obviously with the Ranger you should get a bit of throttle lag like we've been saying, and it should be a bit doughy on the takeoff. So let's find out. Yeah, come on girl. So yeah, as you can see guys, a little bit soft, a little bit doughy on the takeoff. So what we'll do is we'll go back to the same patch of sand and change up the mode a little bit. Now guys, the Power Plus throttle controller really comes into its own here on the beach, especially when you get bogged, because it will give you these extra modes for your throttle control that will just help and assist you get out of your bog situation if you end up getting in one. Hopefully you never get bogged, but hey, we all end up getting bogged sometimes. And it's also great just for that little bit shortened throttle response when you're on the hard stuff on the beach, on the hard sand. So what that'll do is just give you a little bit more punch if you need it, just to go a little bit harder at some section if you're coming up to what you think is a soft bit of sand, or you're trying to enter or exit the beach onto that soft stuff and you want that little bit more momentum before you hit it. These throttle controllers guys on the higher settings, F2, F3, perfect for that. Alrighty guys, as you can see we got ourselves into a bit of a situation here. It's on purpose. I've purposely tried to bog this thing, and what we're going to do is going to put it into EC9 on the Power Plus throttle controller, and what this should do is let the turbo and everything build up nice and slow and then literally pull us out of this bog. This is really what this mode is designed for guys, this sort of situation. So without further ado, what we're going to do is I'll pop it into EC9 and be gentle on the throttle. You don't want to give it to it, otherwise you're just going to sink even further. Just be nice and gentle on it, let the car do the work, and let's see if we can get out of this situation. So I'm pushing down on the accelerator, I can feel the engine starting to build, the torque kicking in, and we are out. So how good is that guys? That is perfect, the perfect situation to get yourself out of a bog situation, especially on the beach here, without having to get the max tracks down from the roof rack or wherever they may be. Just chuck it into EC9 guys, be nice and gentle on the throttle, and you'll be out of there, no dramas at all. So there you have it guys, the Power Plus throttle controller on the beach. I think you'll agree, it is a must-have for any four-wheel driver, especially who wants to hit the beach or the tracks. But that's enough fun for one day down here on the beach, guys. Let's head back onto the blacktop, pull up somewhere, and see what we really think about the Power Plus throttle controller. Well, there you have it, folks. The Power Plus throttle controller. Control your power. That's their slogan. And I tell you, you absolutely gain all the control of your power with this unit. It just changes the dynamics of your vehicle completely. And I really can't fault this thing at all. It's so easy to use. The display is nice and clear. The Power Plus throttle controller from Power Plus Africa. Jump on their website, guys. Go get one. You won't regret it. Cheers. Now, guys, if you like this sort of content, I've got plenty more coming. More reviews of gear, more campsites, more fantastic locations. Plenty of stuff to come your way. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Get on the socials, follow along. There's so much to come this year, guys. Can't wait to share it all with you.